Good morning, second graders. This is Miss Marks with your lesson for the week. Lesson 10, Loops with Rey and BB-8. If you don't know who Rey and BB-8 are, they're stars in the new last two installments of Star Wars. You're going to be able to identify the benefits of using a loop structure instead of a manual repeat. Break down a long sequence of instructions into the largest repeatable sequence. Take down long things and break them up into smaller parts, and employ a combination of sequential and looped commands to reach the end of the maze. A loop is the action of doing something over and over again. Repeating is only doing something one more time. Okay. Remember to read all of the directions. Use 5 of the same block. So they're telling you you need 5 of the same block. So obviously the 5 blocks are going to be forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look carefully, you can see the little squares on the grid. They don't want you to use a loop yet, so don't use the loop on this one. I'm going to skip 3. Number 4 is another, well, 3 is a question. You know I don't do this anyway. 4 is another video, so let's look at the videos with the loops. So I'm going to skip up to 6. In this puzzle, use 2 repeat loops to help you get BB-8. Okay, so I need to use 2 move forwards and a repeat loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's probably the first one. Make sure you change your loop numbers, otherwise it will be wrong. Check that first. Now I'm not actually turning left here. I believe I'm turning right. But since this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, that's why we couldn't put it all in one loop. Okay. Loop, even work with more than one block inside. Can you loop the sequence? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to take all of this out. I'm going to put it in. Now I have my 6 out of 6, but I don't need it 5 times. I only need it 3. One side, two side, three sides. A good trick is to look and see if you see a shape. If you see like a shape going on, like a square or a rectangle, you can probably repeat it. Or if it's a straight line, you can probably repeat it. Okay, so here's the challenge. Now, I need to move forward, turn left, forward, turn right. Let's see if that gets me something. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Let's loop that 3 times. Up. I need it 4 times. Fine. I really should need it 5. All right. Okay. So now, since I'm turning the wrong direction, I need to turn left, left, and then I'm going to put a repeat in, and I'm going to move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's try that. You saw that even though I kept getting the wrong answer, I kept trying. That's the persistence part of coding. You have to keep trying. You're not going to get it right the first time. That's why we keep doing the resets. That's why we keep doing small bits of code instead of a whole lot of code. And skip 11, go to 12. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if I move forward 3 times and then turn right, should give me the first part. Okay. Now I got 12 spots, so I know I can do this again. Oops. Don't forget to change your direction of your turns, because if you don't, actually I want that one left, I think. If you don't, you'll end up going the wrong way. Aha, you want it both ways. Okay. Sorry, that happens when I press the side sometimes. One, two, three, 4, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 3. So all threes. Okay, that works. I got 12 out of 12. My fraction's right. Let's try it. Thirteen's a question, so you know I'm not going to answer that one for you. The last one. Any path I like to go to get the things. Okay. So I'm going to go here, forward, 1, 2, 3, and then turn right. Let me see what that gets me. Oh, okay. Did not know I could not go through those. So I have to get all the way over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought there were more blocks to pick up. Now you could have done that one in many different ways. It's fine. No big deal. Oops, we are not doing Harvestar. And that's your lesson for the week. See you later.